Good morning, everyone. Well, in America, today. I can't put my hat on, but I will do that. I thought about this just a few minutes ago, but I had to finish my schoolwork for English. Today, I'll teach you how to cook eggs. Or, for those who don't know, like, how to cook them. Guess what? This video is for you. I'm making this eggs for you, and I'm teaching you how to make it for you and for anybody else that's around. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, you want to... Well, this is an electric oven. Well, not electric oven, electric stove. I don't know what the hell you call the heat, but I know there's like the one where you turn the fucking thing on and fire comes out. So, you want to put your thing on 5 or on mid. And then you make, while the fire is starting, select your pan. And select the goofy Minecraft pan. Wheel. Most likely I'll wash my pan off. So, I don't know, but then since then I always thought it was because anytime I always think it was always because the whatever the heck is last in the pan, it always tasted funny and funny. I had a funny taste when I was eating eggs then, but then later my taste buds got corrected again. But give me a moment. Now I got it pan washed, and first thing you want to put on your pan is either ham or butter. Ham or butter will work. Or you can do both. You put ham in first and then the butter. Control my fire here. Hey, it's a bunch, just a little bit of butter. Okay, after that, well, here's what I did. You can also move it around by just moving the pan or using the knife that you have. So, now, before you even put eggs on the thing, you gotta get a bowl first. So, for me, I'm gonna make 3 eggs. Since you get your bowl, you get your carton of eggs too. And you probably know what all eggs look like, right? And for those who have never seen an egg carton in their lives, here. This is what, this is from Rouse's, but again, your egg carton. So I'm gonna make 3 eggs, because why not? And also, I'm happy to announce that December 1st is Great Union Day in Romania. I got a Romanian friend that is celebrating that. And hope he has a good day. Yesterday was not his finest day, but he's seen better days. I hope. So yeah, those are 3 eggs. After that, wash your hands. Me for a long while. And then my grandma, but then after my grandma died, I never touched the stove. So yeah, you get salt and pepper. Not too much salt, just it's only like pour around like what? 2 seconds? Just like I'm gonna say about 4 pours of that, and then for this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then after you get your salt and pepper, and you're done with that, you're going to mix it. You mix it together. You can grab a fork or a spoon. Matter, but this is how my mom did it. Well, my mom does. Makes her own eggs or omelets for me and my sisters or my family. And I love my mom. My mom, the best. Best mom. Love me. Put the egg, what you stir with, to the sink. But after you do that, you're gonna pour the eggs into the pan. You're gonna grab spatula. And then afterward, you are going to flick or just move around your eggs around for a bit. You gotta grab the corners of it. I don't know what the fuck is smells so funny. I don't know, it smells funny. Something smells funny. Don't think it will be the eggs. If it isn't, oh crap. Man, y'all have some good or healthy eggs with you, hopefully. Better than what I have. I don't know, when I open my fridge, something smells funny. And that smells so good at all. Feel like it's already done. I mean, if you don't see, if you see black parts, you burnt the thing. But if you see like yellow, like good yellow, good portions of yellow and white cooked, then you're all good. You're good to go. And enjoy. Oh. Get your plate. Got the hen. And the one near the camera, like 2 near the camera. There. Turn off your stove. And if you got some eggs, you can go scrape it out with the spatula. Oh, fuck. There we go.
Now, voila. There you have it.